नमस्कार मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती जर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा. प्रॉपर्टी संदर्भातील नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहायला मिळतील.
Unimont Imperia, located amidst serene, refreshing greenery of the majestic Western Ghats of Khandala at Khopoli. Unimont Imperia, a Unimont flagship, is the biggest township of luxurious G+12 high-rise towers and ample open spaces, offering exclusive community and gold-standard living. Located opposite Khopoli railway station, it connects you to Mumbai up north, Pune down south, and is within walking distance of schools, colleges, hospitals, banks, and marketplaces. Unimont Imperia is located on NH4, connecting through Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Lonavala, and Pune. It has a large shopping center with a facade facing NH4. As you drive in through the majestic gateway of Imperia, you arrive at this safe township with highly secure gateway and perimeter walls all around. A fun play area with swings, seesaws, springing horses, and more for kids to enjoy every day. Just hop into the basketball court for a fun game. Take morning walks and jogs on the gorgeous winding trails of the hilly walkway with clean mountain air. Waltz down the cobbled driveway and park your car at the parking area. Lobby view. Enter your wing through the plush lobby and savor the imposing inner facade of Unimont Imperia. Step into the speedy stretcher elevator to get to your apartment. Living room with terrace. This is your very own abode. Spacious 1BHK and 2BHK well-planned apartments with an open terrace, bringing more space. Kitchen with balcony. The opulent kitchen enclosure has a balcony for your own kitchen garden. Bathroom. A beautifully designed bathroom for your daily rejuvenation. Bedroom with balcony. The relaxing bedroom with balcony creates a calm, restful space. Master bedroom with balcony. The cozy master bedroom with the adjoining balcony opens up stunning green view of the scenic Khandala hills of Western Ghats. Balcony view showing mountains. Hill views from apartment balconies feature the panorama of the Western Ghats. Podium garden. The beautifully designed kids play area with senior citizen sitting space is in the middle of the central boulevard. The vast podium garden in Imperia, the sprawling party lawn and vast swimming pool makes for a beautiful party venue amidst clean air and waterfront ambience. Gymnasium. Get healthy workouts at fully equipped modern gym maintaining social distancing. Indoor games. Unwind with various indoor game options like billiards, carom, chess and table tennis. Multi-purpose hall. Cherish glorious parties at the multi-purpose hall. Mini theatre. Find your leisure in the mini theatre with a high-definition LED screen. Library classroom. Sit back at the library and smart classroom with free Wi-Fi enabled for meets, training group studies and workshops. Steam Sauna Spa. Rejuvenate your senses at the lovely steam, sauna and spa. Yoga and meditation room. Enjoy a dedicated yoga and meditation room for daily yoga days. Cafeteria. Relax over tea at the cafeteria lounge. Swimming pool. Drive into the refreshing swimming pool with a wooden deck and have a remarkably cooler summers, while the filtration plant maintains pool water quality. Night view. After sunset, the lights with special aura come alive in the towers of the tall township, with open-to-sky areas and ample amenities. Families at Unimont Imperia can savor modern lifestyle while maintaining the safety norms of present situation. Elevate to a new level of luxury, where the golden moments of life meet the dynamism of a throbbing city. This is truly high life. Location map. And golden milestone.